Well, on the swivels, we used to always get with the snow and the salt, and then with sand, and with the ball bearings, they'd freeze up. And sometimes you just even pull them and they'd be sideways. And we'd have to loosen them up somehow. And then also inside the bearing is a roller bearing. And those would also freeze up too. So you'd have to either try to soak them out or just replace them. We're replacing every week. They'd be, like I said, the bearings would freeze up.
With my application, the only thing that I have noticed is during the wintertime or during a rainy season, or especially during the wintertime, as the tires flip up the salt that we put down to melt the ice, it has a tendency to get in around the, I believe, needle bearings, okay, and that will stiffen up the swivels.
And biggest problem we had with our old ones is how fast the bearings wore out. I mean, we'd put a wheel on and it would be, 2,500 pounds moving it around. Those bearings on there would wear out.
Well, we got your casters, and they've got a sealed bearing on there, and they have worked really excellent. They move a lot better, especially if there's snow, because our parts are stored outside.
Right, and with that maintenance-free bearing that you guys have on there, it's all closed up, nothing can get in there. I mean, to this point, we haven't had any problems with that at all. The swivel lead comes out a lot further, which makes us be able to turn the carts a lot easier. Ergonomically, these new carts, the new wheels are so much better than the old ones. I have no problems at all with them. It completely changed our job getting the new wheels.
We've had them on there now for 6-8 months, and we haven't had any failures.
So right now, we've had these on our paint racks in circulation for 6-7 months, and we've not had failures. So we're still kind of waiting to see the longevity of how these are going to last compared to our old casters that actually failed a lot sooner. So, but we can already tell that the return on investment is going to be great.